Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is user testing. Businesses need feedback on their websites and apps to improve user experience, and that's where you come in. As a user tester, you'll test products and provide valuable feedback. Start by signing up for platforms like user testing or Try My UI. Many companies pay $10 to $50 per test, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, focus on providing detailed and constructive feedback. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady source of income. Next is video editing. With video content dominating the internet, businesses and creators need skilled editors to create professional quality videos. As a video editor, you'll edit footage, add effects, and ensure the final product is polished. Start by learning tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on storytelling and delivering high-quality edits. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by networking with content creators. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Third is transcription. Businesses and individuals need accurate transcriptions of audio and video content, and if you have good listening skills, this skill is perfect for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert spoken words into written text. Start by learning tools like Express Scribe or Otter.ai, which make transcription easier. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the complexity of the audio. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe, or reach out to businesses that need transcription services. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is ebook writing. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can write and sell ebooks online. As an ebook writer, you'll create valuable content that helps readers solve problems or learn new skills. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating a detailed outline. Many authors earn $100 to $5,000 per ebook, depending on the demand for their content. To get started, publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Finally, let's talk about data analysis. Businesses need experts to analyze data and provide insights that drive decision making. As a data analyst, you'll work with data to identify trends and make recommendations. Start by learning tools like Excel, Tableau, or Python. Many businesses pay $30 to $150 per hour for data analysis services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to businesses that need help with their data. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose user testing, video editing, transcription, ebook writing, or data analysis, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.